Hi, Namaste. Feel the heart. Welcome back once again into another presentation of Learning Hindi. And in this presentation, I'm going to teach you again a pronoun. And in the pronoun, I have been asked so many times from the viewers how to use mera, meri, and mere. All right. So today we're going to discuss on how do we use, and I will try to give some examples. I hope you'll understand it. All right. So let's proceed to the presentation. Alright, so mera, meri or mere. First, let's talk about the mera. Mera means my and can also be used for mine, alright? And when we will be using this, as I have written, you can see there, written everything. Mera is used for saying my or mine before a masculine singular word. Masculine, how do you pronounce? I don't know, but you understand it. Masculine singular word, right? Whenever, if there is a word like brother, brother is a masculine word. So before that, you have to use mera. Alright, see the example. Mera bhai bahut acha hai. See here. So see in the dark section, in the presentation, in the dark section there is a red thing I have made it, which you have to focus. Mera bhai. Bhai is a masculine thing. Remember that, right? So what you have to do, you have to just put mera before that. Alright, and respect thing you will talk about later, right? But just before any masculine word, before masculine word, you have to put mera, right? But if the masculine word is plural or respectful, then we'll be using mere. We'll talk that later on, right? Let's see more example. Mera bhai bahut acha hai. My brother is very nice, right? Mera bhai bahut acha hai. Okay. Mera नौकर बहुत वफादार है. मेरा नौकर बहुत वफादार है. Now see, नौकर means servant, that we generally put kind of maid in English, right? So मेरा नौकर, नौकर here represents a male maid, okay, not a female, male maid. So he is very dutiful, right? वो मेरा बिस्तर है, right? वो मेरा बिस्तर है, वो मेरा बिस्तर है, like that is my bed, right? So बिस्तर here is a masculine word, so that is why you have to use बिस्तर. Keep that in mind, right? So मेरा बिस्तर. Next one is Mummy, मेरा चश्मा कहाँ है? Mummy, मेरा चश्मा कहाँ है? You asking mom, where is my glasses? Right? Where is my glass or glasses? You know that चश्मा that you put in your eyes. Mummy, मेरा चश्मा कहाँ है? Where it is? बच्चों को जन्म देना मेरा काम नहीं है. Right? I can say as a male, like giving birth to a child is not my job. It's not my work. So here you have to focus calm, right? काम means work, and that is a masculine word in Hindi language. So मेरा काम, आपको अपना काम करना चाहिए. You have to do your work. आपको अपना काम करना चाहिए. In the same way, मुझे मेरा काम करना चाहिए. मेरा काम, मुझे means I have to work. I have to work my own job. I have to work my work, right? So बच्चे को जन्म देना मेरा काम नहीं है. That's a female, maybe. My wife will do that for me. Alright, so next one is Meri, alright? As I told, Meri Patni, for example. Now, Meri Patni. Patni is a feminine word. So what I have to use? I have to use Meri before that. So before feminine word, you have to use Meri, alright? Meri Patni bahut sundar hai. Yes. Don't you know that? I'll show you my pictures. Very soon I will try to feature her, right? What do you see? मेरी पत्नी बहुत सुंदर है. My wife is very beautiful. Okay? मेरी पत्नी. So पत्नी is a feminine word. That's why before this you have to use मेरी. Now आज मेरी बहन की शादी है. So we'll dance. Today is my sister's marriage. Alright? So बहन, again feminine word. So before that you have to put मेरी. Like मेरी मम्मी, मेरी बहन, मेरी पत्नी, मेरी बीवी. बीवी also we say to a wife, So any feminine word before that you have to use meri, right? If that's your. And then Anil, meri banduk leke aa. Somebody is saying, hey Anil, meri banduk leke aa. Bring my gun. Come by taking my gun, right? So come with my gun. So gun is a feminine word here. Meri banduk. So that's why it is meri. Later we'll be talking how to separate the feminine word and masculine word. It's very difficult for the native speakers also. I'm telling you, people make mistakes in separating male and female here also, because we have only two gender in Hindi language, unlike of English, in that you have a neutral gender, but here we don't have. We have only male or female. All right. Sounds weird, but it is truth. All right. I think other languages also have the same. Many other languages. Now, Janu, क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आती है? See, Janu means oh sweetheart. Do you remember me? Like, my memory that we spend the time together. Do you memorize those things? So याद means like the memories. So Janu, क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आती है? Like, do you remember me? So here, do you miss me is the exact translation, I think, in English, but you have to go by logic here. As I told you, Hindi is not exactly English, so my memory, I mean to say, like, do you remember me? So क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आती है? So याद, memory, that is a feminine word here. That's why मेरी. Always remember the word, what is the gender of that, and according to that you have to use मेरा or मेरी. Right? मेरी पत्नी मेरी बेटी को दूध पिला रही है. Like, my wife is feeding milk to my daughter. So daughter and wife, those both, both words are feminine. So that is a मेरी. मेरी पत्नी मेरी बेटी को दूध पिला रही है. Right? She is feeding milk to my daughter. And one more thing, I think, whether you know or not, like breastfeeding, that is called stanpan. Stanpan. Stan means the breast, the woman's breast. I mean boobs. What do you say? Anyway, so what I mean as a positive way, stanpan means breastfeeding. You can use also here. मेरी पत्नी मेरी बेटी को स्तनपान करा रही है. Right? She's feeding. It means like she's just feeding the baby. Right? Another one is मेरी गाड़ी रास्ते में खराब हो गई. Yeah. मेरी गाड़ी रास्ते में खराब हो गई. In India, we say गाड़ी to the vehicles wherever we ride. Even to bike people say गाड़ी. Even to motorbike, even to car or truck or to everybody we say generally गाड़ी. But you can specify the name also, right? That's not a problem. So मेरी गाड़ी रास्ते में खराब हो गई. So गाड़ी is a feminine word, so that's why मेरी गाड़ी रास्ते में खराब हो गई. रास्ते means on the way. खराब means not in order, got some problem, right? Now let's talk about मेरे. मेरे is used for, as I told you, respectful masculine word. Like if you're talking about somebody, when you're talking about like dad, parents, elder brother, elder sister, guruji, professor, principal, to whom you need to give respect, or any stranger people to any time, when you're talking respectful way, that time you can use mere instead of mera. All right? And for the plural masculine words, always and always you have to use mere. Like mere bhaiye, mere parivar wale. So parivar means family and all the peoples of the family, all families. So family members it simply represents. So parivar wale means so many people are there. So it's plural thing. All right? So mere parivar wale. मेरे घर वाले, मेरे स्कूल वाले, like that, स्कूल वाले, मेरे विद्यालय वाले, विद्यालय we say to schools, मेरे कॉलेज वाले, like that, Example, आज मेरे पिता विदेश जाएंगे. आज मेरे पिता. So here पिता, आज मेरा पिता विदेश जाएगा. What a rude. You can say it's right. Like grammatically there is no mistake, but why so rude language? Come on. My viewers are very beautiful and very, very mannerful and very, very respectful, and they speak in a very respectful language, right? So it's better to say mere pita rather than mera pita. Somebody may use, but I will suggest you go with up level, right? So mere pita, आज मेरे पिता विदेश जाएंगे. विदेश means abroad, other country. आज मेरे गुरुजी का जन्मदिन है. जन्मदिन means birthday. So today is the birthday of my guru, So मेरे गुरुजी. So guruji, guru, there is one word, one man, singular, but in respective levels. So that's why मेरे गुरुजी. You can say मेरे भाई also, There we use like मेरा भाई बहुत सुंदर है. You can also say मेरे भाई बहुत सुंदर है. If you are giving respect. There is also kind of respect, but kind of intimate case, very close, very attached, right? I'm sweating a lot, you can see. मेरे सारे दोस्त बाहर रहते हैं. मेरे सारे दोस्त बाहर रहते हैं. So सारे दोस्त means all friends. So friends, a lot of people, a lot of, it's a plural thing. So you have to use मेरे सारे दोस्त. मेरा दोस्त अमेरिका में रहता है, like my friend, one friend, you know, like my friend. So there is one. My friends, my all friends. That means so many people. So that's why you have to use मेरे दोस्त. All right, keep that in mind. You can also say मेरा दोस्त, but that time you're talking about one friend which is like very close and very intimate to you. And here, see, just to make you understood, आजा मेरे दोस्त, मेरे गले लग जा. So come my friend, hug me, you know, hug with me, something like that. So गले लगना means like to hug, you know. So आजा मेरे दोस्त, come my friend, hug me, you know. So आजा मेरे दोस्त, मेरे गले लग जा. You can use there also, but that time when I'm using दोस्त, I'm giving respect. I'm talking in respective way, alright? मेरे घर वाले मुझे प्यार से कालू बुलाते हैं. Not my name, by the way. Not me. I'm just giving this example. Maybe you will. No, I don't want you to comment with that name. So मेरे घर वाले मुझे प्यार से कालू बुलाते. Like my family call me with कालू, you know, call me कालू with love, right? It's कालू. Don't pronounce like कालू or something, whatever. कालू, कालू, कालू. All right. So मेरे घर वाले, again say घर वाले, my family. Alright, so my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed and understood how to use मेरा, मेरे and मेरी while speaking Hindi with your friends, family or anybody who speaks Hindi. And thank you so much for watching this, and I really appreciate your efforts in the comment sections, because you guys gives me a lot of ideas to make the video content, and thank you so much. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe me if you want to really learn Hindi and learn about Hinduism and India and so many other things and cultural stuff. This channel is really good for you if your intention is like that. Then and also don't forget to catch me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and also other social medias. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.